Hello Glacier Creek community, this is Principal Metz. After 21 years at Glacier as a teacher, dean, and principal, I have hoped for a better playground experience for our students. With 250 or more students utilizing the playground at one time, we need more play structures and accessible options for our children. We have been able to add swings and a single climbing structure over the years, but we are aiming big to engage even more students. In collaboration with the PTO and with feedback from our students, we have a plan to install an obstacle course playground that adds an engaging experience for all students to play in an integrated fashion. Here's our current playground play space, and so we have our climbing structure here and swing sets to the north, and right here in this open space is where the new playground structure would be placed. Included in this plan is a nuclear modular structure which includes 12 play structures that are climbing, balancing, or overhead components, laid out in an obstacle course style of play based off of our students' desire for a ninja style play. Large spinning climber that has a maximum capacity of 25 students. It has a broad accessibility with its large ground level base that can provide a seated option for students who need it. A chair spinner, also designed for accessibility with its seats, heights, and armrests. A fully wheelchair accessible hand cycle that offers seated use as well. Circ drums for sensory play and benches for sitting around the playground. A large area of poured in place rubber pad surfacing underneath the accessible play components to ensure that students who need greater stability and surfacing are able to access the play structures. This rubber pad surfacing is quite costly but imperative for all accessibility. We do have an option for installing this surface at a later time. The impact of this project will reach thousands of children in the years to come, and every donation is greatly appreciated. Thank you for your support.